In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Zoho Trident's capabilities and functions, helping you unlock a world of seamless communication, collaboration, and organization. The first module we'll be delving into is Zoho Mail. From effortless email search to advanced filtering options, Zoho Trident's Mail module revolutionizes your experience with emails. Trident's Search and Mail feature is highly functional and enables you to search for emails based on its advanced search functionality. You can either list emails from specific senders or narrow your search to find specific emails or groups of similar emails. Use filters to quickly access unread emails, starred emails, emails with attachments, flagged emails, tagged emails, or archived emails with a single click. To compose an email, click on New Mail. You can leverage various features such as Send Later, Secure Mail, set a message as priority, or select a template. You can also easily add signatures or attach documents. The rich environment of New Mail empowers you to modify your email's content in countless ways. Moreover, streamline your email organization by employing labels and folders. Generate labels such as work and apply them to specific emails to make it easier for you to search them later. You can also use flags to highlight emails. Create folders to better organize your emails. Next to the Folders section, click on the plus sign to establish a new folder. Provide a name for your folder and click on Create. Additionally, you have the ability to customize your workspace through view configurations. You can choose between a vertical or horizontal split for your mail view and select either a compact or comfortable view for your inbox emails. Next up, we have Zoho Click, a dynamic team communication and collaboration module that takes your real-time interaction and teamwork to the next level. Explore instant messaging, present status, group calls, channels, and much more. The real-time communication capabilities of Click include instant messaging and video meetings. Click offers a real-time chat interface. In the left panel, access recent chats and choose a chat to engage with. Here, you can send messages, record audio messages and videos, share files, and perform various other activities. You can create channels dedicated to specific teams, projects, or subjects, providing a centralized platform for team members to collaborate and discuss matters. Trident's upcoming Meet Now feature is under development and will soon augment the efficiency of your meetings and video conference calls. Click comprises of both chats and files functionalities. In Files, you can distribute files and attachments, while also leveraging Click's file storage capabilities to create a repository of shared files. Customize Click's appearance for enhanced comfort and a better experience on Trident. Access options and click on Appearance. Choose your preferred chat icons and tab view settings. By harnessing the real-time communication capabilities of Click, Trident crafts a more connected and productive workspace experience for you. Transitioning to the Calendar module, Trident offers an intuitive way to manage your time, appointments, and events. Say goodbye to the chaos of scheduling, as Trident's Calendar module simplifies event creation and management. Access calendars and click on New Event to effortlessly create events, providing details such as title, date, time, location, and more. For events that occur regularly, establish recurring patterns such as daily, weekly, or custom intervals. Additionally, configure reminders to receive alerts before events commence. Send meeting invitations and schedule appointments. Include attendees to generate Zoho meetings within events. Utilize the conference feature and select Add Event to seamlessly create an event while sending invitations to your attendees. With two-way sync now available, changes made in the Zoho Calendar module can be reflected in other sync calendars, and vice versa, maintaining consistency across platforms. Now let's dive into the Tasks module. Trident equips you and your team with the tools you need to stay organized, prioritize tasks, and track progress effectively. Discover how to create, manage, and customize tasks to supercharge your task management process. Creating tasks is effortless. Simply click on New Task. Provide a title, description, due date, and priority level for the task. You can also include subtasks within an individual task, assigning them priority and specifying the assignee. Additionally, you can attach files to your tasks. In the agenda view, click on the plus icon to include tasks under a specific category. Allocate priority levels or labels to tasks so you can concentrate on tasks that require immediate attention. Moving on to the Notes module, Zoho Trident offers a versatile platform to capture, organize, and retrieve your thoughts, ideas, and information effortlessly. Learn how to optimize your note-taking process using rich text features, images, and attachments. Begin by creating new notes, providing titles, and adding content. Utilize rich text features to emphasize important points in your notes. Enhance visual understanding and provide context to your ideas by embedding images directly into your notes. Attach files such as documents, spreadsheets, or presentations to your notes for quick access to relevant information. Customize your view according to your preference by choosing from various options. Trident's Contacts module steps into revolutionize your contact management process. With seamless integration with Zoho Click and email history insights, this module ensures you're always connected and informed. Initiate chats directly from contact profiles for quick and convenient communication. Select a contact to access all prior emails or conversations involving that specific contact. Hover over your contacts and click on the letter icon to instantly send an email. Using the Contacts feature, you can optimize your contact management process and enhance your overall networking and communication. Get ready to experience the future of productivity with Zoho Trident's Smart Assistant. This AI-powered feature automates tasks and simplifies actions, letting you focus on what truly matters. Let's explore the incredible capabilities of Smart Assistant. It simplifies the process of generating notes, tasks, and events through simple typing. For instance, input "Meet Kazmi at 7 p.m. tomorrow," and it will automatically create a meeting event. Utilize the @ symbol to mention individuals in your notes, tasks, or events using Smart Assistant. Furthermore, you can use the & symbol to directly attach files, the / symbol to assign actions, and the : symbol to access options or actions you can perform using Smart Assistant. Wrapping it all up, Zoho Trident offers a comprehensive ecosystem through integrations. Widgets and connections with third-party applications ensure a seamless and efficient work environment. Discover how Trident's integrations pave the way for connected workflows. To access the integrations, navigate to the Settings menu and proceed to activate the widget panel. Within this section, you have the ability to activate application widgets, which in turn enable a wide range of integrations. These widgets boast multi-functionality and play a pivotal role in enhancing various aspects of your workflow. Whether you're seeking improved efficiency or expanded capabilities, these widgets are poised to assist you comprehensively throughout your work process. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of Zoho Trident's functionality and functions, transforming your work processes into streamlined, productive workflows. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the power that Zoho Trident brings to the table. Thanks for tuning in. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our Zoho partner team.